Hi everyone, it's me again, the flower, and Greenbird had subscribed to me and also another channel. Well, anyway, I'm going to make this episode, and so the rest of the all the episodes, even Karma Boulder he and another person is going to be the other one. Supermario Dane shows. He actually shows his real self. Well, anyway, let's start with this episode. No. I'm gonna start it in 3, 2, 1, go. Hi, Greenbird. Hi. Wanna play Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning? Yeah, sure. Me too. Huh? Who just said that? Me. Like, at your side, the right side, that side. Okay. I wanna play too. Hi, Super Mario Dane Show, and yes, you could play. Wow, thank you. You're welcome. Like a full, like an hour later. Okay, game on. After like hours later. Get the notebook, get the notebook! I'm trying to get the notebook. You almost got it. I almost got the notebook. Well, it's my turn now. Did you hear someone say that? Yep, I did hear someone say that. Let's just keep playing. And a few hours later, I feel like he's here. No, he isn't. He can't find our location. Hey, I'm behind. And I'll slap you with a ruler. Ah, let's run! What about the controllers? Leave them here! Where you left? Anyway. Ah! Whoa, ah! And everything was set. The end. Thanks for watching this episode. I hope you subscribe to me and tell me you subscribe to me in the comments below. See you in the next episode. Bye. Say bye. 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 Pika pika. Bye. We love you all. And have a flowery day.